most famous use case, obviously, of AI right now is the large language models. I mean, they're the ones that are being used day in and day out. What would you say are probably going to be, let's say, the top one or two or three next use cases that you think are going to change things? And maybe one or two that people aren't thinking about.
Well, so today there are sort of three things going on. I'll simplify it. Language stuff, that's what we were joking about with large language models. There's something called the agentic revolution, where you have agents. An agent takes language in, it has memory, and it produces something. So it says, I want to do a conference in Miami. And it selects the venue, and then it calls the mayor, and the mayor says yes, because the mayor is very pro-business. And then it calls the security people, and then it calls the contractors, and then it designs the stadium. Each of these is a work plan, right? Over and over again, that's workflow. Workflow is what happens in business. The technical industry believes two things. First, the scaling laws, which are the laws of improvement, are not slowing down. The crazy investment that you see is there for a reason. They're seeing the kind of gains, this factor of 10 every year, are continuing to come. It's pretty amazing. And the third one is essentially reasoning. You now have systems that can pass math tests, chemistry tests, biology tests, and so forth at the graduate level and beat the humans. That's really remarkable. The union of those is the power. That will give us the power to innovate, to address our problems. And the thought experiment that I would give you is, let's imagine that one of the American companies, I obviously have my own bias, but we'll pick somebody else, whoever, manages to get to the point where these systems can solve problems that humans have never been able to solve. What is the value of that company? How many trillions of dollars in one company?
Infinity.
The important thing is that we're on the threshold of being able to have truly new innovation. And that's the hype, that's the promise.